Welcome to this tutorial. In this lesson, we'll explore payment methods in Gridbox eCommerce. We'll take a look at all available payment gateways, learn how to configure them, and see how they integrate with the checkout process. You'll also learn how to create your own offline payment methods, such as cash on delivery, bank transfer, pay on pickup, or any custom payment option your business requires. To open payment methods, go to the Store menu in the Gridbox Administration panel and select Payment Methods. Here you'll find all payment methods available in Gridbox eCommerce. Gridbox supports a wide range of payment providers, including popular services such as Stripe, PayPal, Klarna, Square, and many others, allowing you to choose the payment solution that best fits your business and your region. All payment methods are divided into two categories: payment gateways and manual payments. A payment gateway processes payments through an external payment provider. Customers complete their payment online using services such as Stripe, PayPal, or any of the other supported gateways. A manual payment doesn't process payments automatically. Instead, it displays payment instructions to the customer, making it ideal for methods such as bank transfer, cash on delivery, cash payment, pay on pickup, or any other offline payment option. Let's start with the payment gateways. To use a payment gateway, you'll first need to create an account with your chosen payment provider and generate the required API credentials. Then return to Gridbox, open the corresponding payment gateway, enter your credentials, save the settings, and click Publish. As soon as the payment gateway is published, it becomes available on the checkout page. Now, let's take a look at manual payment. Unlike payment gateways, a manual payment method only requires a title and description. The title is displayed to customers during checkout, while the description is the perfect place to provide payment instructions, such as bank account details, payment deadlines, or any other information your customers need to complete the payment. If you need additional offline payment methods, simply click Add New Item, enter a title and description, and publish the payment method. Finally, you can easily organize the order of your payment methods. Enable drag and drop sorting, filter the list to display only published payment methods, and arrange them in the order you'd like them to appear during checkout. Now let's make sure everything works as expected. I'll add a product to the cart, proceed to the checkout page. As you can see, all published payment methods are now available for customers to choose from. Depending on the payment method, customers can either complete the payment through an online payment gateway or follow the instructions provided for a manual payment. In the next lesson, we'll configure locations, which are used throughout the store to define available countries and regions for features such as shipping and taxes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.